Please hit like and subscribe to receive more great outdoors content. Alright, well everyone just, calm down, take it easy. I'm not actually encouraging any of you to hunt owls. Please, I don't want to hear any complaints about people going owl hunting. This video is just a review of an owl call that I recently got to help with turkey hunting next year. Apparently, the sound of owls actually kind of pisses off male turkeys, so I was hoping that would help me out. But we'll see, I guess. So, in any event, let's take a look.
Here are 4 different bird calls. Can you guess which one is different? I'll give you a hint. 3 of them are duck calls, and 1 is my new owl call. Okay, well, maybe it's not that easy to tell which one is an owl call just by looking at them, but I'm sure it'll be a lot easier once we actually blow into them, and, one will obviously sound like an owl, because we know what an owl sounds like. Start with this one first. We'll do this one next. Here's the third call. Here's the fourth call. Still stumped? Want to know which one's the owl call? Yeah, me too. Let's find out. And here's our lucky winner. This is my new owl call. A Redhead Heritage Series owl call from Cabela's. It's pretty cheap, about $10. The problem is that it sounds like it's $10 because it sounds like the 3 other duck calls that we just listened to. They do give you instructions, but the simple fact is that nothing is going to make this sound like an owl. So, in conclusion, my new owl call, piece of garbage. I hate it. And you know what? Instead of just talking about it, I'm just going to show you how much I hate this thing. Think they'll take it back? Maybe I should have read the warranty first.